video, we made our special homemade glitter Play-Doh. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure that you go back and watch our previous video so you can make your own homemade glitter Play-Doh as well.
And today we are going to play with the special glitter Play-Doh. Yay! So, Chloe, are you able to teach us about numbers, please?
I would love to. Today, I'm going to teach you numbers from 1 all the way until 10. Let's get started.
Yay!
Yay! Zoe, are you ready to learn about numbers?
Yes, I am!
Woo! All right, come close. This is number 1. And number 1 is next to a
Pretzel! I like to eat pretzels.
I like it when they're warm.
Me too, with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar.
This is number 2. And what is this, Zoe?
It's a spaceship. It goes to the moon.
Here we have a piggy next to
3.
3. And bananas
Are next to number 4.
Good job, Zoe. This is number 5, and it is next to a
whale. You can find whales in the ocean.
And this is number 6. What's this right next to it?
It's a leaf.
Where do you find leaves?
On trees.
On trees. Shh. This is a number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's next to a violin.
Like an instrument.
Yes. How about this?
Number 8.
And that is an umbrella.
You use it when it rains outside.
Number 9
Is next to a ghost.
Ooh. And finally, we have arrived at the biggest number, number 10.
Wow.
And that is a
Strawberry.
yum.
I like to pick those at the farm.
I just like to eat those.
Yay!
Zoe, can you teach us about shapes?
Absolutely, I will happily do so. So, we first got a heart. Everyone has a heart.
Wow! That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Zoe, what's this?
This is a circle.
Ooh!
It's shaped like the rings that you put on your fingers.
Oh, I know what this is. This is a rectangle.
Just like a book. Wow, and now we have a triangle.
Ooh, all sides of the triangle are the same, but there's only 3 sides.
Yes, and pyramids in Egypt are also shaped like this as well.
Oh, I know what this is. This is a star, just like the ones in the sky.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
How pretty is that?
That's beautiful.
Finally, what is this?
This is a square.
But Zoe, what's the difference between a rectangle, and a square?
Well, Chloe, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 shorter sides.
Oh, I get it. And the square has 4 sides that are all the same.
You're right.
Yay! Thank you so much for teaching us shapes.
You're welcome.
Shall we?
Yes, let's play! Me too, that was so much fun.
Did you have fun?
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
if you want to follow us on some fun,
big,
exciting adventures,
make sure to subscribe down below.
yay!